Hello and welcome. I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today I will be making the accessories for the Miss Frizzle costume. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The first thing I will be making is the earrings. For this, I will need the pink felt, the third largest bat, some glue, and some scissors. First, I cut the bats out of the paper. When I had finished cutting the bats out of the paper, I cut it out of the pink fleece. When I finished cutting it out of the fleece, I gave it to my partner who finished the small details. Finally, I took the E6000 glue, put it on the metal backing, and put that metal backing onto the little bats. Next, I will be making the buckles for the shoes. For this, I will need the brown fleece, the largest bat silhouette scissors, and the glue. Again, I will cut the bat out of the paper. Then I will cut the bat out of the fleece, leaving the small details to my partner. Finally, I glued this to the alligator clips, making sure the bats were centered and at the top where you pinch the alligator clips open. Next, I will make the clasp for the cloak. For this, I will need a lavender felt, the largest bat, a pair of scissors, and glue. Again, I will start by cutting the bat out of the paper. Then I will cut the bat out of the felt, leaving the fine details for my partner. Finally, I will glue the bat onto the alligator clip, going horizontally this time instead of vertically, and making sure the bat is centered. The last thing I will make is the cloak. For this, I got 2 cloaks from Goodwill, one in red and one in black. I also will need interfacing that I already had, the sewing machine, and a pair of fabric scissors. The first thing I did was make the cloak with a collar instead of a hood. To do this, I folded down the hood and cut it with fabric scissors. Next, I sewed interfacing onto both the red and black cloak tops. Then, with right sides facing each other, I sewed the black and the red cloaks together, making sure everything lined up and trimming it where it did not. Finally, I turned it so that it was right side out, and I did not end up sewing the bottom just because I didn't feel like it needed it. Here's what all of the accessories look like with the dress. If you would like to see how I made the dress, check out both of the videos on the channel or any of the videos in the playlist.
Now that you have the accessories, you are ready for the hair. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!